we're starting with a pendulum. Start in a pike position, and then just swing and really lift that leg up at the top as much as you can. It's a tough one for me. Okay, push up to a thrust up. You're gonna do a push up and jump, picking your hands up and thrust all the way up. Okay, side lunge with a squat jump. Jump squat to a side lunge. So you're gonna lunge, squat, come up, and other side. Really push those hips forward when you come up. And on your side lunge, really sit back. Push yourself up with that glute. Okay, we're gonna do what I call three-way plank kisses. You really want to concentrate on kissing that knee when it comes forward. So kiss your nose, roll back, roll up on the opposite foot, kiss the elbow, kiss the other elbow, other leg, kiss the nose, elbow, elbow. And to kiss it, you really have to roll up on those toes.